Okay, so that's this is what I ordered, is a Boyard microphone, and yeah, you'll see that I'm gonna do some tests with the internal microphone. That's internal microphone that's built on the iPhone, and then we're gonna test out the Boyard, making like some noise it can pick up by using this, something like that, to make some shake noise to see which one's the best quality sounds, whereas from the internal microphone built inside or the external microphones. I just get this camera set up and see how it goes with that one. I think the first video I did shaking the can, where it's the internal microphone, where it's like it picks up a little bit of things in the background, and then with the external microphone, the Boyard picked a bit of more things and isolated some of the stuff in the background, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it's just, I'm very impressed with that internal microphone. And yeah, which microphone you guys like? Let me know by the comments down below, and yeah, see you next round. I think the external microphone is pretty good, this one. Boyard. That's a good one. Similar to a Rode.